after you have your paper folded and you have the pins drawn on your paper, I put one pin in here so you would see what it would look like. After you have this on here, then you're going to be sewing. Okay? You're going to take your paper, it's going to go into your sewing machine, and the edge of the presser foot is going to line up so that it is right on where the bottom fold is of your paper. Okay, so the very fold goes right next to the presser foot. Then I'm going to change the setting. I still want to do a straight stitch, but I'm going to be doing the straight stitch with number 2. All that does is it moves the needle over to the left. So when I hit the plus button, the whole needle is going to shift over to the left a little bit. So I'm going to make that say 2, and my needle moved over. Okay, and then I'm going to change my stitch length to 3 again. So I'm going to push this down, make that 2.2, say 3.0, in case I make a mistake. Okay, now I'm going to sew just like I have been, except I'm going to sew right next to the edge here. I still have to do my back stitch, and when I sew, I want to stay a straight line that's going to be really close to the bottom edge of my casing here, or of the fold of my fabric. Okay, so I'm going to sew forwards, hold my reverse and go backwards. I did my back stitch. Now I'm going to go forwards. I would stop and take the pin out if it was a real pin. And I'm keeping the edge of my paper right next to the edge of the presser foot here. And when I get to the end, I'm going to back stitch again. And I can take this out. And I will cut off my thread tails. And when you're finished, you're going to have a stitching line that's holding your casing closed, and you made a little tunnel so that you could fit something through the top here.